Fedora 42 KDE Plasma Review. So, Fedora 42 offers a sleek web-based installer. It builds on Fedora's reputation for innovation by delivering tangible improvements across installation, UI, performance, and desktop environment choices. It also has the Genome 48 integration, which comes with dynamic triple buttering for smoother graphics. It also offers an HDR display with better notifications grouping. So what's good about it is it has new desktop environment and spins, which is this cosmic spin, the KDA Plasma Edition, the enhanced XFCE, and much more. It also offers a real-world SMS upgrade with Linux and the speech to text. It also has the Fedora WSL images for seamless testing on Windows. It even has some real-world feedback where they have made Linux very appealing and everything works very good. So overall, Fedora 42 is absolutely worth your time. If you're eager to a modern, feature-rich Linux experience, then choose Fedora 42.